Across Nigeria, many people dream of a better life to provide for their families. But when opportunities feel limited, some take difficult journeys, searching for hope beyond the borders.
Before I left Nigeria, life was so difficult entirely as a mother to be able to feed my children 3 square meals in a day. And at the point, my husband was not able to take care of the bills and take care of the kids. So life was just so hectic before I left the country. I was hoping where I'm going to is going to be more better than where I'm coming from, but the rise was the case.
What I see was a different thing. I began praying to God at that moment that, God, why not you take my life? I fainted 3 times.
We got to a point that I have to relate. I have to drink I have to pee just to be able to feed my baby.
Here in Abuja, migrants find new opportunities to learn, to grow, and to rebuild their lives.
The challenges that returned migrants typically face when they come back home are often multiple and overlapping. They include economic, emotional, and social challenges.
At Midea Academy, each day is more than just training. It's a journey of rediscovery, a chance for these people to rebuild hope, gain real skills, and believe in their power to shape a new future for themselves.
I hear about Midea Academy through the IOM organization.
When I had AC repair and maintenance and installing, it was very amazing. I said that, no, this is an opportunity for me. I know IOM, they are very amazing organization.
This training has meant a lot to me because it has given me a skill and experience. Now I can beat my chest that I can install an AC.
The mindset change, believing in myself that I can really make it and everything can really go well for me without even dreaming of leaving the country.
I would tell returning migrants that are coming home that coming home does not mean that the journey is over. In fact, it can be the start of a more sustainable one. This phase gives them the chance to rebuild with the support that they did not have before.
Through the collaboration between IOM and Midea, these people have found a new way to rebuild their lives, proving that with the right support, hope doesn't just end at return, it begins there.
Well, they have come so far, and watching them installing the AC on their own, it is the best reward for us.
If I were to summarize the impact of this collaboration in one sentence, I would say that together with Midea, we are restoring dignity and opening new pathways for returnees to build sustainable futures.
Today, I was able to install my first AC.
You know, from the first time, it felt like an impossible task for a lady. But having gone through the lectures, the lessons, and finally installing it in the AC, standing there working, it's like, wow.
For what I see about it in the future, it's something I would love to go into, to broaden my knowledge and also use it to establish myself and do better in the future.
And thank you for this opportunity to Midea and to IOM. You know, the exposure, the uplifting.
IOM's Return and Reintegration Program is a lifeline and a unique opportunity for many Nigerian youth, helping them realize their dreams and self-actualize.
Building for a good future.